Hi, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can wash clothes in your washer like so. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you have clothes in your washer like so. You want to make sure you have clothes in your washer like so. You see right there, I have clothes. I only put this much in. If you can see, I only put a little bit because I do not want to have a lot of clothes washing for this demonstration. Now, once you have your clothes in your dryer, what you want to do is make sure that this door is tightly shut like so. You see? It's open. It's open and you want to make sure your door is closed like so. And so you hear this little click. Right? Once you hear that little click on your door, that means that your door on your washer is locked and closed. But you can still open it if you need to, like so, you see? But when it's locked, when it's closed, and you hear that sound, that means that it's secure so the washer won't come out the door. Now, once you did that, what you want to do is get your powder, like so. I'm gonna go grab the powder you need for your washing. You can either get a wash powder like this. You see right there, that's powder. I will put a photo of what the bag looks like from the powder. You can just get powder like this. Now, what you want to do is you see right here, there's an opening for your washer right here. You see this right here, it says Samsung. You want to open that up like so. And you see right here, there should be a tray for bleach and softener and powder right here, right there. There should be a place where you can put your powder and your softener and your bleach. You want this powder right here to go into this one right here. The one that says, this is main wash powder use tray for liquid right here. Put it into this one right here, like so. Right there. Now what you can do right here is either close the lid, or what you can do is add some softener or freshener. It doesn't matter what you put. You can put softener or freshener right here. What I'm gonna do is put some freshener like so. I'm gonna be putting this bottle right here. This bottle of freshener right here. This downy. I'm gonna be putting this downy in to this tray right here, the one that says softener right here. You see it, softener, because it looks all like softener right here, the liquid. Now what you want to do is grab the cup like so. You can grab this cup, or you can just pour it in to where you have it like so. I'm gonna pour it in from this liquid container, right? So, because you can press this button right here, this red button, so the liquid can come out like so. You see right there, it's gonna get filled up. You can either fill it up to the top or just as much as you need, like so. I'm gonna fill it up to the top for demonstration purposes now. Now what you want to do is once you filled it up like so, is you want to close this tray like so. You want to close that tray. Now what you want to do is either leave it like so, or what you can do is turn on your washer like so. Now we're going to turn on the washer right so. Right here you should see the on and start pause button. What you want is the on button like so. Now what you want to do is you see a bunch of options on this knob like so. Now you can either put normal, which that is 59 minutes, or you can put quick wash, which is 25 minutes like so. You see right there, 25 minutes. You do not have to worry about any of these buttons right here. right here. Once you dialed in the settings you want on your washer, like you see quick wash, delicate, preem, press, rinse, plus spin, and normal, heavy duty, bedding, active wear, and much more. What you want to do is put it on whatever setting you want. I'm going to put it on quick wash, like so. Right here, you can press start, like so. I'm going to press start. You see right there? The washer should be starting right there. You see right there? Sometimes it takes a while for it to start. You see right there? Now the washer is starting right there. You should see water coming out right now. You see right there? Water is coming out. So just let the washer do its thing. So that's it for this video, guys, on how to wash clothes. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you how you can dry your clothes.